Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a good old time. Time for a good old time. Time for
Hello! We're gonna get right into it. I'm recording something on my other computer and I'm busy as fuck this morning, so we have to get right into it. We have a pickup docket from Judge Anzalone. Anybody else get frustrated when somebody asks you to do something that you were already planning on doing and then now that they've asked you to do it, you don't really want to do it? That's how I feel. Also, the lighting is set up for last night's lighting, not daytime lighting. Oh, she's gonna piss me off. I can already tell the judge is gonna piss me off. Also, this other case has been going for 2 hours. While I love us a 2-hour case, it's just a nightmare in terms of like deciding when we're gonna watch it, making time. I look fat right now. That's so great. I love it. Okay, let's get going.
Good morning, Mr. Norman.
Good morning. It's not letting me click the.
It's okay. All right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Amir Keyshawn Norman, file number 24-21913FH. I have Ron Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Norman, and I have Isaac Sneed here on behalf of the people. So this is the date and time for arraignment on a bench warrant. Mr. Norman, you failed to appear for a show cause hearing on August 13 of 2025, and we did issue a bench warrant at that time and set bond in the amount of $25,000. But you are here today. So Ms. Underwood, this matter was a delayed sentence and set for March 13 of 2026. So I need Mr. Coast. So let me call Mr. Coast. Mr. Norman, have you been working with Darren Coast?
Yeah, I've been talking to him, but I couldn't pay because I've been trying to find a job, but I still can't get one.
Hold on, Mr. Norman, you got it. Hold on, no talking. Mr. Coast, could you log in on Mr. Amir Norman?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hold on, Mr. Norman, just hold on.
Your Honor, could I be heard?
Yeah, sure. Yep.
Your Honor, Mr. Norman apologizes. He got his days mixed up. He reached out to me yesterday when he realized that he had screwed up. And I told him to Zoom in this morning. He had no intent of being contemptuous of the court. And I would ask that the bench warrant at this point be
I'm gonna quash the
quashed.
bench warrant. Yeah. Not a problem, Ms. Underwood. He did show up today and reach out to you, so that's not a problem. I'm just waiting for Mr. Coast.
See, look at that.
Yeah, can I ask a question?
You should shut the fuck up, bro.
Can you hold on 1 second for me?
You
Just
should
1
literally
second,
shut
Mr.
the
Norman.
fuck up. This is called blocking your blessings, Mr. Norman. She just got your bench warrant squashed.
This is Judge Anzalone. I'm ready for Michael McNally.
What's happening for you?
All right, thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Mr. Coast, we're
always
here
puts me in
with
a good mood.
Mr. Norman. A bench warrant had been issued for failure to appear for a show cause He did reach out to his attorney and vice versa and appear today. He got some dates mixed up. I am gonna quash the bench warrant, but the underlying show cause, Mr. Coast, was for, hold on a second. Trying to find it. I don't have it in my file. Maybe I have it here. No, I don't have the show cause. So Mr. Coast, I know there's a show cause, and Miss Adams, if you can print it off for me, that would be great. But Mr. Coast, you had originally show caused him, and what was the reason you show caused him?
Well, Judge, part of his delayed sentence is he's to pay minimum payments in restitution totaling $2,770.08. He is ordered to pay a minimum of $231 a month starting in May of 2025. Thus far, 0 payments have been made. I've had communication with him by phone on a couple occasions. The last time I did speak to him, he did promise to mail out 231, which he did not do. That was back on June 26. So he was informed that if I didn't receive that payment, that I would be petitioning him in on a contempt. So that's where we're at.
All right. Okay, Miss Underwood, that was just sent to you. So, all right. So, Mr. Norman, you got a benefit of a great plea offer, but it is obviously dependent on you complying with the requirements. So, you know, you can't not have a job. So I don't care, you gotta wash dishes until you get a better job, whatever you gotta do, mow lawns, whatever, you gotta make these payments because you don't want to lose the plea bargain or, you know, the agreement that was placed on the record, right?
Right. Is it possible I can get like a lower minimum payment, or that's the lowest they can get?
So this is the amount that has to be paid off by March. Like,
Yeah, I understand. I'm talking
if
about for the
it's
monthly
not
payment.
paid off, if it's not paid off, you don't get the benefit of the bargain, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about like for the monthly payment. Is it possible I can like, or like,
They're one and the same, sir.
Well, the
You
monthly
have-
payment is set up, so if you make that payment, your balance would be zeroed out at the end.
okay.
You know, and
Um,
I have people that get 2 jobs, whatever, just to pay it off and be done with it.
I have
Yes.
2 jobs.
All right, so I'm going to adjourn this out. Miss Adams, could I get a date for 3rd week or 4th week of October? And what's the balance owed, Mr. Coast?
Like $2,000.
Judge, it is $2,770.08.
Oh, $2,700.
So that's what's gotta be paid, all right?
yes.
And the sooner you pay it, the better. So,
Okay.
all right, Miss Adams,
October 22nd at 8:30.
all right, October 22nd, you said at 8:30.
Is that just for a pretrial judge?
Yeah,
Yes, yep.
okay, so we'll mail out a notice, October 22nd at 8:30 in the morning, and I want to see that your payments are being made, all right?
Okay. Is that in person or through Zoom or either or?
Zoom's fine for now, you're in Kalamazoo, right?
Yes.
Okay, Zoom's fine for now, all right?
All right. Thank you.
Judge, if
Thank
I
you.
could get a breakout session with
Yeah.
him real quick. Thank you.
Yep, Mr. Norman, I am gonna put you and Mr. Coast into a breakout room.
I would just love it if that would mean they were gonna do breakdancing, but Australia ruined breakdancing for everybody in the last Olympics. Thanks very much.
Go ahead and join that breakout room.
Is it too
And
soon?
I don't have anybody in the jail yet.
Your Honor, do we by
Miss
any
Underwood.
chance have Mr. Hayward?
In the courtroom? Is
in
there a
the
Mr.
courtroom or in
Hayward?
your Zoom waiting room?
He's in my courtroom. He's in the
Oh,
courtroom,
the
Miss
jail's
Underwood.
loud.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I believe we just need to get a new date on that, Your Honor, because the underlying charge has a probable cause
Hold
scheduled.
on, Miss Underwood, I want to call the case. Mr. Haywood, you want to come up to the podium? All right, this is in the matter of
Sneed
Keelan
sighting,
Dorsey
Sneed
versus
sighting.
Ephraim Haywood Ward, file number 25-52712 PP. I have Brenda Underwood on behalf of Mr. Hayward. I do have a letter from Darren Coe stating that Mr. Hayward got out of jail and reported as required. He is aware he's not to have contact with Tila. Oh, I got an N on it for some reason. And or be within a half mile of her residence. I have no indication he's violated that in any way. So, Ms. Underwood, how far out are you asking for an adjournment?
Perhaps a couple weeks, Your Honor. He has a probable cause on Monday, so we should.
Probably don't have anything in a couple weeks. Mr. Sneed, it would probably be a little bit more than that because our next few Wednesdays are pretty swamped, but Mr. Sneed, any objection?
No, thank you.
Right, so Miss Adams, the next available, I don't need like 2 weeks.
Last
We
night?
could do September 10th at 8:30.
All right, we're gonna set this over. Can I get a notice of hearing from Mr. Hayward? So September 10 at 8:30 in the morning. Miss Underwood, do you want him to Zoom or come in person?
Fine with me if he's Zoom.
Can I just come in person?
You can always come in person here. Yep, so he's just gonna come in person. All right, have a seat right behind you and we're gonna get you a notice of hearing, all right? Okay, so, sir, are you Michael, is it McAnally or you pronounce it McAnally?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is in the matter of Shalisa Marie Holiday versus Michael Gordon McAnally, file number 2013-39382DM. Mr. McAnally, you are ordered to pay $230 a month in child support. As of today's date, you have an arrearage of $10,571.98, which is above the limit that the Attorney General for the state of Michigan can charge you with for-year felony. The time that we initially show caused your arrearage was $8,114. So it's gone up over $2,000. The last payment we received was $164.25 back on April 15th of this year. So there also, let me look here, there is a failure to appear bench warrant as well. You were ordered to appear on January 29th of 2024 and you failed to do so. So we issued a bench warrant. And you have made several payments, but not timely payments, and you evidently have left your employment voluntarily and made no efforts to reach out to a friend of the court. So, Mr. McAnally, the maximum penalty for failure to appear and failure to pay child support could be up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that, sir?
I understand that, ma'am.
And you understand that your level has reached the point where the Attorney General could charge you with a 4-year felony. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you do have the right to have an attorney represent you in this and all subsequent hearings. If you can't afford to hire an attorney, we can appoint you one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
No.
It's free. Do you want to? She's.
Yes, I think I should get a lawyer. I was
Okay.
injured on the job last
No,
year.
no, no,
and
no,
I've
no,
been
no,
doing-
no. Stop talking. Now that you said you want an attorney, you can't talk to me. So
No,
stop
no.
talking. No, stop talking. So I'm going to appoint Ms. Underwood to represent you. And I'm gonna open up a
Okay.
breakout room for you and Miss Underwood for you to talk to her, okay? And then you can
Okay.
tell her all those things without risk of getting yourself in trouble. So go ahead and join that breakout room.
Are we just gonna sit quietly? Okay, while we're sitting quietly, we can talk about what I did last night. Not that, you perverts. Something else. I was watching through some of the Manning stuff, just skimming through a little bit, and then I realized that I had seen it before, and I remembered it, and sure enough, there I am in the chat under my personal account. The way I gasped when I saw my name, I was like, oh, that's so funny. Anyways. Judge, you still just gonna sit there and not talk? Sit there and not talk? Okay. My plans for the weekend are to work. It's the way it is. But I have some really fun plans coming up that I'm excited to one day share with you guys. Hopefully. Somehow. Judge, you gotta be kidding.
All right, so we are back with Mr. McNally, Miss Underwood. Obviously you've seen the recommendation, but Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, Mr. McAnally was injured at work last year. He, for a while, it was coming out of his workman's comp check. Workman's comp was stopped a few months ago. He has an appointment with Jacob Bender today to get that put back on. In addition, he is also going to be doing some part-time work at a fiber optics factory near his house in Tecumseh. I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on Mr. McNally's behalf and set this for maybe 2 Mondays from now. And hopefully we will have money coming back in.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. Miss Adams, could I get a Monday 2 weeks out, please? Or our next available Monday that 2 weeks or more.
September 8th at 8 a.m.
All right, so we're gonna set this over for September 8th at 8 a.m. And sir, by then I would like a letter from Mr. Bender delivered to front of the court, giving us an update on the status, and then I want some payments, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you very much. You have a good day.
And will that
Thank
be a
you.
PR bond, Your Honor?
Yeah, PR bond.
Thank you. Your
Thank you,
Honor.
ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We're all set.
Yeah, we're all have a good day.
He owes
Your
me
Honor, do you have
$10,000.
anything else for me
Oh, they're
today?
done?
No.
Yeah, you did say you're done, Judge. You did. That is it, you guys. I know it's a short one. I'm sorry. We're gonna be back at the Manning Madness tomorrow afternoon / evening time. I'll probably 8 to 3:45. I'm working, so I will be back at it again, probably like 4 something, maybe 4:20. Anyways, Guys, thank you so much for being here. You always put me in a good mood. Go back, watch some old videos. That actually helps. And have a great rest of your Friday. I don't know if there's slap fights tonight. I hope there is. I hope there's something to watch. 4 inches is fine. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Do me a favor, remember that I love you and I'm proud of you. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.
Ways down and ready to ride.